What's up everyone? So it is day 2 here in Patan. Today we're going to do some more exploring. We only have 5 hours though, because later on we're going to be getting a coach to Inlay Lake. The original plan was that we were going to get a scooter, but since we decided to rent it out late, they've all gone. We can't get a scooter. So right now we're just waiting for a tuk-tuk here, and we're going to be checking out some caves. There's loads of cool Buddhist caves around here, so yeah, that is the plan. So not many tuk-tuks have passed here so far. We've been waiting for over 5 minutes. So we've arrived at the first spot. It's kind of hard to pronounce, but I think the guy back there said Katka cave, something like that. I'll write it down as usual. And we ended up getting a tuk-tuk here. It cost 3,000 to get here. Different kind of tuk-tuk, never been in one like that before. Originally another guy tried charging us 20,000, which is crazy, for about 15 minutes. So yeah, that was pretty nuts. So as usual here, you're just surrounded by Buddha statues everywhere you look. Got the reclining Buddhas over there, and then over there you can see the cave. We'll head down there soon. Looks pretty nice and colourful here though. Check how cool that looks. Got people walking back there as well, little kids. So we're inside the cave now. All sorts of different stuff here. Almost looks like a treasure chest. And yeah, just like outside, just a million Buddha statues. We definitely haven't seen this many statues in any other Buddhist country that we've been to yet, that's for sure. Every place we go, it just seems like there's thousands and thousands. And the cave looks pretty cool, check this out. So, you can see there's like a tunnel here. Obviously we've got to walk barefoot. Check that little hole there, Carol crouching. Oh. Hello.
Hello.
That was a cool little tunnel, right?
Yeah, very little.
Yeah, very small. And then we're basically just in this room here, painted golden. And I don't know what this is, some sort of shrine, I guess. You can see the donations that people leave. I'm not sure what all these things represent. You got a mini pagoda back there. come outside the cave now. You'd only spend about 20-30 minutes there. There's no entry fee. I thought we'd have to pay something to go in, but the guy just told us to enter. And out here you have a nice little calm lake. I think it's a man-made one. So you can see the lily pads here. Some kids playing back there under the tree. I don't know if you can see properly on that wall there. There's some statues of monks, and it goes all the way down the road around the corner, and then also behind here it continues as well. So many. Alright, gonna take off our shoes again to head up this temple. So it looks like up here there was another cave entrance, but yeah, it's locked. Looks like it would have been cool as well. Check that out. It's closed. Look inside though, it looks cool. Get a pretty nice view at the top here though. Look at those beautiful lush green rice fields. Awesome mountains in the background. So we're actually having a problem now that we've been having throughout Hpa-An. Pretty much every day we've had the same issue. Yeah, there's just no transport to get around. So we left that cave. There's literally no tuk-tuks, no motor taxi, nothing. We can't use Grab here either. So now we just walk into the main road and waiting for a tuk-tuk to pass. Normally in Southeast Asia it's the opposite, right? There's normally there's too many tuk-tuks, but here there isn't any at all. I guess we didn't really realize how like off the beaten path Hpa-An is. There's really no foreign tourists around. You just see like one or two every day and that's it, and it's pretty much all local tourism. So when we first came here we thought this was one of the destinations that people came to, but yeah, apparently not. And I'm surprised people don't come here that often, because yeah, you've seen how beautiful it is here, how much cool stuff there is here. But yeah, it's just a pain to get around without your own scooter. If we had a scooter now, it'd be fine. So that little bus back there ended up costing 1,000 each to get to downtown, and now we've just jumped into a tuk-tuk that's gonna cost 4,000 for about a 20-25 minute ride. So we've now come to a spot called Pagoda. If you search Hpa-An on Google, you'll basically get images of this place, so I think it is the most famous spot to visit if you're here. Over here right now you can see a new temple, it looks like they're constructing right now. So that's still under construction. And there in the background is Mount Zwegabin. That's what we climbed yesterday, that point right up there, hardcore climb. So if you want to check that video out, I'll link it below. Then here, you just got loads of tourist shops pretty much. And I think the main pagoda that we want to visit is down this path somewhere, hopefully. So this is it. This is the main pagoda that we came to see on this very unusual rock. So from what I read, this is an artificial lake, and that's a little island in the middle. So we're just gonna walk across there in a little bit. I'm not sure if you can go up there, but yeah, we'll find out sooner or later. But here's definitely the best views of Mount Zwegabin. Even better views of it than what we saw yesterday. You can see all of it from here. So it turns out you can climb up the rock to see the pagoda at the top. There's these other pagodas, golden ones around as well. And there's no price to pay, it's just a donation. I think we gave like 1,000 and they give you another one of those wristbands like we got yesterday. So yeah, it seems like an awesome place to visit. Let's head to the top. Carol's found herself her cat.
Yeah, he likes me. He's always sleeping.
Yeah. And you'll see a lot of the locals always bang these bells with that piece of wood there. All the temples that we go. Not really sure what that represents yet. Really nice views everywhere, right?
Yeah, the mountains are so nice.
Yeah, I think the mountains are the best part of this place for sure. So we said, right, this place reminds us of Ninh Binh in Vietnam. It's like identical.
Yeah, very similar.
In Ninh Binh, Vietnam, you'd get these flat landscapes, very flat, with the rice fields, and then just these mountains out of nowhere. So it really does look the same. So it turns out you can't go all the way to the top, only halfway. People were praying on the, like the second floor. You can actually see from here there's a ladder, so obviously there's no way they'd let regular people use that ladder. Super dangerous. Got another cool little statue going on here. We're back at our guest house now. We're just packing up, getting ready to leave. Like I said in the morning, we're going to be heading to Inle Lake now, which is very far. We're going to get the sleeper bus at 6 p.m. and I think we only arrive there at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. So yeah, it's going to be a long one. So I kind of wish we could stay longer in this place. I've realized that you could easily spend 4 or 5 days there. I think there is a lot to do, lots of different temples, and there's other mountains nearby that you can hike up, stuff like that. So yeah, just a really awesome place and definitely underrated. I don't know how there isn't more tourists there, but yeah, it's cool anyway. It's just all locals around, so yeah, an awesome experience. So thanks for watching as always. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.